Okay, there are now whisperings on the wind that they're gonna make Thor the star of a chick flick, a rom-com, a romantic comedy. Thor is not the star of a chick flick. He is the god of thunder and rock and roll. He is the Valhallan. He is not the star of a chick flick. What the hell, Marvel? You know, you know, under normal circumstances, this would be a bad, bad plan. Bad plan. Where's my rolled up newspaper? Bad, bad plan. This would be a bad plan. But under these current circumstances, this is a horrible plan. Later.